Doggy's day out. And tennis, the Cobros. Little, uh-oh, get the ball. Alright, look at this ball. Fetch, little, fetch. Here we go. Little, go. Here she goes. Baby, what you doing, huh? Here she comes. She's gonna take the ball to mama. Hit it up high, buddy. Baby, tug it in, huh? Go. Whoa, your mama won. Mama got it. And Little wants to play fetch. All right, look here. She just brought me the ball. All right, let's go one more round. Go. Loso. Hello, Loso. Hello, Loso. She comes. Go give the ball to baby. Oh, she dropped it right next to me. Okay, one more time. Girl, go see your brother over there. Baby, what is that? It's dirty. Alright, guys. We're at the park next to the house. These dogs are smelling other dogs' pee right here. Alright. លោកនេះឡាយតាអង្គពោតជាមួយ hamburger បងប្អូន ហាង hamburger ពីលើ ហាងពោតនៅក្រោម អង្គុយលេងនៅក្រៅជាមួយកូនខ្ញុំ មើលអាខេមច្រៀង ថ្ងៃនេះភ្លៀងខ្យល់ណាចាប់តាមខ្យល់ណាខ្យល់មែនទេ ខ្យល់ថ្ងៃ Oh wow, it's windy now. Yeah, clear. There's a peep. You
can see the fat dripping from
it. Tích, cái chẹo tích. Cái đau tích, cái chòl. Ok, along đã ăn rồi, đã nhắm về. Bóng bồn trong những oi hamburger này hay là bột. Thật là hơi. Ok. អង្គុយផឹកបៀបងប្អូនផឹកបៀអាំងសាច់នៅក្រៅជាមួយប្រពន្ធកូនមើលឡូសូតិចមើលឡូសូច្រៀងអរគុណបងប្អូនចាំមើល hamburger ហើយចាំខ្ញុំឲ្យមើលបងប្អូនពោលឲ្យអស់ហើយមើលហើយបងប្អូន hamburger ជាមួយបៀ hamburger សាច់ធំហ្នឹង Okay, we're playing darts, guys. Here it goes. Darts. Oh, there it is. Whoa! Uh-oh, you missed it. All right, my turn. Here you go. Here, guys. Here you go. My dart. Uh-oh, there it is. One more. Right, here it is. Let's see. He got one. Whoa, he got one on the couch. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Kids playing on a slip and slide. Alright, run and slide, guys. Run and slide. Try it. Go. Whoa. Alright. Come on, baby, slip and slide. Crawl. All right, crawl through the mud, crawl through the water. All right, we're gonna let them play, guys. We're gonna let them play. Let them play. There it is. Yes. It's trying to get big now. These nectarines. Look at all the fruits, guys. Look at all the fruits. Lots of fruit on these nectarines. All right, go ahead and play, guys. Go ahead and play. Be careful. I put it. Careful, careful. All right. I'm applying it like ping. Down and apply like ping.
We're trying to block those exits out right there, so that way we can flood the entire pool, and then it'll become.
No, it's not gonna work. Just play. This is good enough. Just slip and slide, run and slide.
There we go. That'll let it slide for a while.
Look at your belly.
We're also trying to close it off so that way.
Hello, little.
Dirt stops.
Hello, little.
It's crazy.
Got some lily pads in there, guys. Baby lily pads growing right there in the fish pond. Baby lily pads growing in the fish pond. Hello, little. Hello. Not too loud, guys. All the kids are playing in the backyard right there. All right, let's go watch this guy cut the tree. I'm going to be cutting the tree in the backyard, the big tree. Let's go take a look. Oh no, cut đám trời nó. Cut đám trời nó, đám trời nó nhóm đuôiไปđám trời nó bạ chừng rồi. Đuôiไปđám trời nó bạ chừng បងប្អូន hôm nay ឲ្យគេកាត់ជួលគេមកកាត់ ឲ្យគេកាត់អស់ There's a tree, guys. It's gonna be coming down soon right here. It's all the grass and everything right there. Or the bushes, the branches. Cut it all down. Đám trời này cắt ơi បងប្អូន này ដើមឈើកាត់ហើយ កាត់ដូចខ្ញុំយកលើកទៅក្នុងអោយទុកធ្វើអស់ នេះផ្កាប្រពន្ធខ្ញុំដាំនៅគិនផ្ទះនៅមុខផ្ទះផ្កាស្អីខ្លះមើលផ្កាដើមឈើស្អីខ្លះនេះមុខផ្ទះដាំផ្កាដាំដើមស្អីខ្លះមើលប្រពន្ធខ្ញុំដាំ คนខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តធ្វើដំណាំដាំក្រោយពីគៀនផ្ទះអានេះនេះដើមឈើហ្នឹងឯងបងប្អូនដើមឈើទៅកាត់ហ្នឹងដាក់នៅគៀនផ្ទះនៅក្រោយផ្ទះទុកធ្វើអស់ធ្វើអស់អានេះធ្វើចឹងមកក៏បានធ្វើចឹងមកអង្គុយក៏បានធ្វើអស់ក៏បានឥឡូវនេះទៀតទៅកាប់អំពៅបងប្អូន កាប់អំពៅរួចដាំវាម្ដងទៀតនេះអំពៅខ្ញុំកាប់នេះតែខ្ញុំទៅគៀបទៅកាប់ហើយលាងវារួចយកទៅគៀបបងប្អូនប្រាប់គៀបនោះណាប្រាប់គៀបទៅយកចេញមកណាដាក់គៀបឲ្យកូនផឹកឡើយប្រាប់គៀបវាជាមួយខ្ញុំឲ្យមើលអំពៅកន្លែងខ្ញុំកាប់ហ្នឹងរួចដាក់ដាំវាថ្មីទៀតនេះ កន្លែងពៅកាប់ហ្នឹងកាប់រួចដាក់ដាំវាម្ដងទៀតឲ្យវាដុះទៀតហើយដាំពីក្រោយច្រើនណាបងប្អូនមើលក្រោយដាំច្រើនជាមួយខ្ញុំឲ្យមើលស្ទើរដាំដើមពៅនៅក្រោយនេះដាំពេញដើមពៅទៅដល់ខាងទៅដល់ក្រោយនោះក្រោយនេះដាំដើមពៅឲ្យអស់ឲ្យពេញ ขอบคุณបងប្អូន bye bye